This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in microwave with Poacher full guide. Start by filling the Poacher cup with 60 to 90 milliliters of water, crack one egg in, and cover securely. Microwave on medium power for short bursts, checking between intervals. Use a spoon to lift the egg out and drain excess water. Season to taste and serve immediately with toast or salad for a quick breakfast. Gather your tools and ingredients before you begin: a microwave-safe Poacher, fresh eggs, a small measuring cup, and a lid. Position the Poacher in the center of the microwave turntable for even heating, and always use the fill line for water to prevent spills or dry cooking. Crack eggs gently to avoid yolk breakage, and wipe any stray egg from rims before cooking. This prep cuts time and keeps results consistent. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, so crumb cleanup after breakfast is effortless and amusing to watch while you cook. It helps keep counters clear and floors ready for serving. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the covered Poacher in the microwave and cook on medium power in 20 to 30-second bursts, pausing to check firmness after each interval. Aim for a tender white and runny yolk, adjusting time slightly for larger eggs or higher wattage microwaves. After reaching desired doneness, let the egg rest covered for about 30 seconds to finish gently. Remove with a slotted spoon, blot to remove excess water, season, and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.